Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make some mashed Aubergine curries, also known as Baigan Bharta in India. It is known as Oro in Gujarat and chokha in Bihar. If you like my recipes, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to share them with anyone you think would find it useful. First, wash the aubergine thoroughly and remove the floppy part below the stem. Then slit it multiple times with a knife as shown. You can pierce it multiple times with a fork if you desire. Once that is done, put it in the microwave to cook on full power for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the aubergine has become soft, as you can see, but not fully cooked. So put it for further 3 minutes and it got fully cooked with wrinkles seen as shown. Remove from the microwave and slit it multiple times in one direction and then in the other to mash it completely. If you have grilled it, the skin would have got charred and you would need to remove the skin, and then you could mash it with a fork or a spoon. Take 1 onion, 1 inch of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic and chop it finely in an electric chopper. Alternately, you can grate it or crush it if you wish. Heat oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds. When they splutter, add the finely chopped onion, ginger and garlic along with some salt and saute till it gets cooked thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder and saute for about 30 seconds. Then add the mashed aubergine, mix it well and then add 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce or tomato puree. Mix it well and cook covered for further 3 to 4 minutes. Remove it in a serving plate and garnish with coriander leaves. It can be eaten with any of the Indian breads or rice. It is commonly eaten in Bihar as litti chokha, where this is the chokha part of the litti chokha. Hello, having watched my recipe, hope you have enjoyed it. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of how I could improve my videos, please do not hesitate to put that in the comments box. If you want me to bring you any specific recipes, do not hesitate to again put that in the comments and I will try my best to honor your request.